Good afternoon and good morning, good evening, everybody. Welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial, we're just going to quickly show you how you can choose and register for a new web hosting plan. Very simple, quick, and very affordable. For our business, we use Hosting Giants, a very reliable company, great customer service, fast turnaround times, and yeah, they're just awesome. So you could just give them a try if you want to host your own website and more, like your professional emails, your domains, and more other things. So the first thing you do, open your Google browser, head on to hostinggiants.co.za, and then you're going to have to pick a package. So we just want to host one domain, one website. So the first thing that we do is we're going to go to host your site for 43 Rand per month. You can either come here or scroll down here, and then you get to see the other packages. There's 3 of them, one hosting one website, the other one 10, and the other one unlimited. So we just normally start here for personal website, which is mainly for beginners, and just click on order now, and then it takes you to another page where it says choose a domain. So we're just quickly going to enter a domain here. We're just going to say domain hosting business, and choose either a .co.za, .com, one of these TLDs, whichever one you want. Just keep in mind, some of these TLDs, or all of them, are priced differently. So today, because we are in South Africa, we're just going to pick .co.za, and then just click check for availability. Yes, domain hosting business .co.za is available, and this is the package that we are going for. And then from here, we're just going to scroll down, and these are just the suggested domains that it just suggests based on the name as well. And then you're just going to click continue. Then from here, just look at your package. If everything is there, it's 43 Rand total due for today, and it's got all these specifications written down. That's nice. And so from here, it says choose billing cycle. If you want to be billed monthly, you can pay 43 Rand per month, or annually, which is once a year, which is 516. Very affordable. You can just pick this one. So we're just going to go with 43 Rand and just click continue if you're happy. Then scroll down and review and check out. So we're just going to verify that everything is there. So personal cloud hosting, 43 Rand, and that's the domain we chose, and the domain registration price 85 Rand per year. Okay, that's awesome. And when you're happy with everything, you can just click check out. Alright, so in this one we had already created a user, but we're not gonna use this one because for the purpose of the video, I want you guys to just go for to get it. So here for you, there's just going to be a screen with this just popping up, all of this information. So we're just gonna just redo all of this just for the purpose of the video, so that you guys can go along with this video. And here, just first name, let's just say Peter, or rather John. We are just going to say John Madome. Alright, and then we say info, and let's give Madome a domain. So for email, this is the email address that you're going to be receiving all the information, like your login details, your pricing, your invoices, everything. The authentications are just going to be happening. So make sure you put in a valid email address. Normally it could be that.gmail or Yahoo or any email that you have access to. Make sure that's the email you use here. So we're just going to say info@Madome. We assuming that Madome has his own has got this email address that he's going to be using, and then phone number 061 again. Let's pick this one, and let's say company, which is optional. We could just say business company. Okay. Yeah, we'll go with this address. This one, yes, we are based in Centurion, but just not this address. This is just a made up address. And scroll down, check if everything, fill in your location. Here, as you can see, it's your city. So pick Pretoria. Let's just see if it didn't change anything. All right. And South Africa. And then here it's going to say your zip code, and then scroll down and look. Okay, total due today is 128, which we saw on the previous page, and this uses Paystack to take in debit orders and basically to just make payment. And then make sure that you fill this up, this code down here. Just click here and say EDST87. Okay, so the 7 will not show, don't know why, but make sure that you just fill up the whole thing, even if the last number or last letter you don't see it, and make sure you fill it up exactly. If it's capital letters, make sure you put all caps. If it's numbers, make sure you put all numbers the exact way. Now let's check if it goes through. Yes, it went through, so we don't have to fix anything. Now it's taking us to our payment gateway where we pay. So when you see, as you see here, okay, so info@matume.co.za, that's where all the information is going to be sent for this hosting, web hosting, which is the domain, passwords, authentication, everything. So make sure that you use a valid email address. And then total, it's that 128, that's what we're paying today. Now, two popular checkouts or payment methods in South Africa, it's these two where we are. It's card or EFT. So this one, just fill in your card number, expiry date, card expiry, and then CCV, click pay, done. Very easy. All this information is on your card. Or second one, EFT, very popular. So this one, it's a little bit of a process, but not too long. You just have to authenticate your bank with your bank. So all you do is click EFT, like that. Choose EFT, and then click on authenticate, and then it's just going to redirect you to the payment method. And then you see Paystack 128. There's Capitec, Nedbank, FNB, Absa, Standard Bank, Investec. There's a lot of these banks. So choose the bank that you normally use. So if we click Capitec, for instance, and there we go. It says insert your username and your remote PIN, or insert your enter your Capitec account number and then the Capitec password. So make sure you put in the information that you use either on your app or your login details where you are. So after this, you're just gonna follow the prompts that it says, do this, do that, do this, and then after that, payment will go through. So for the sake of this video, you'll just continue with the process, but for payment it'll just go through, and then your new hosting will be created, and then just go back and check your email address for all the things that you have purchased. If you are struggling a little bit, open a ticket right here. Just click open ticket, and then it will redirect you to open ticket, and then just fill in the information here, and then type in your message, and make sure again this code for authentication, just fill it up and then click submit, and then that's it. Then your new web hosting is created, and then from there, build for your business, any website, have professional email addresses, and yeah, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. But that's it for today. Thank you.